Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a Coleman mini bike overview, like what I have on my mini bike. So I have the CTU 200EX. It's got front shocks, a light. It's pretty dirty because I've took it to the strip job a few times. You know, right here it's got a little storage compartment where you can keep that and a knife or whatever you need to keep in there, like whatever you need. So it's got these two front pegs right here where you put your feet, and right here is like the gas there makes it on off, and here's the choke on and here's the choke off. It's got these little tires on them, like just whatever. It's got back brakes right here, and here I'll start it up. It's pretty hard. So push that forward, pull that back. It's a little bit cold today, so it might take a minute. That's what here it sounds like. Pretty loud actually. And like pretty loud. It's got a cool front headlight. As you can see right there. I don't know how to work this thing. It went sideways a little bit there. Trying to get it in. Pretty cool looking little mini bike. It rides good. It goes about 23 4 miles an hour with some up to 150 pounds. Pretty cool. Pretty good light stuff. You can buy like aftermarket exhaust and stuff like that for it. You can, there's the exhaust. I think it's pretty cool with that bike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.